Instead of children's games, contestants faced monster trucks, Navy SEALs, and helicopter stunts. The first episode hit 1 million views in 30 minutes. The gamble paid off. Beast Games broke 50 Guinness World Records and hit #1 in 90-plus countries on Prime Video within 48 hours, proving Mr. Beast's 330 million subscribers could turn a YouTube creator into TV's biggest showman. For more marketing stories, follow us.